Good morning, guys. This is Benefix, and it's been a while since I posted a video, so I just want to post an analysis video. And please like, share, and subscribe. Tell me what you think. These are the pairs that I just got on, and I think they're really nice. So we're just going to make an analysis and see how things are. Please leave a subscribe. Please leave a comment, please leave a like, interact, share with your friends, and tell me what you think. Okay, so we're going to be analyzing v75, v10, and boom 300. Yeah, so I hope that you like them. Hope that we get good setups. Okay, so let's start with v75. So there's something that I realized it's good to mark off the opening positions, and price opened on this candle and it's going down. I'd anticipated further down moves, but it was now dependent on when exactly. So just mark off that this candle, this is where I anticipate price was going to move. So I had two anticipations. Price was going to make further downs because of the closing, because of the new daily candle made. Why also? Why? Because of this. If it had come and created a peak there, then it would have come and created level 1 here, and we could say that this was a drop into level 2. This was a drop into level 2. So we're still dropping. So it's respecting that high. Price is trading off that daily high and continue going down. So V75, we're still going down on H4 for quite some time. On M15, let's go on M15. Let's see how price is. Let's see how price is rejecting that. Okay, so if you were to enter on this, you would place yourselves there, then you put your stop loss just there, because we're saying that we are not sure of we want to stack ourselves. So you put yourselves there, you put your stop loss above there, although the best place would be here, because that is where the daily high is. So just let your trade breathe, put your sales there, put your stop loss there. So we're selling V75. V75, we are selling it. This further rejection is a further confirmation that we're going down. So let me just make sure that this is clear. Let's just make sure this is clear. And let's just make sure this is clear. So V75, I perceive further downs. Let's see to what extent. Right? If this is a peak, there's a level 1, there's a level 2. So let's anticipate it will go down into level 3. Okay, so V75 we're selling. Let's go on boom 300. Boom 300 is a sell. Okay, so it's important to make note of price action. Price action is important. Just seeing the behavior of price around certain areas. It's the behavior of price around certain areas. Okay, so let's say price is gonna fall on down to here. Let's look on that. Okay, so I'm anticipating price to go down. Let's look on H1. Let's look at M15. So M15, it's already created a peak. Look at this. It's already created a peak on M15. This is a peak on M15. This peak is similar to this peak. You see how price is formed around these areas. It seems to be rejecting this area. So let's anticipate further downs. But now it's boom 300, so let's consider the extent or the point at which it will fall down. So I'm still for the biased view of a sell on boom 300. So let's just put, let's say for now, I'm anticipating price to fall down to this region. Let's see how price will go. It's going to V10. V10, it's important to note price action, the regions in which price is moving. Sometimes you don't really have to you level counting it's important, but it's also important to have a confluence. By confluence, I mean that a lot of strategies have to confirm your end, right? So let's have those strategies with confirmed entries. Okay, so this is my anticipation. Price rejected this region. Just look at how price moved in that region. Here. Right. Let's go on M15. Let's see what happened with that. Create a peak there. Okay, so there are two things that we're looking at. But I am for the buyer's view of a buy. Let's see. Do you want to come down? Okay. So let's look at this. Price is trending up. Went up there, came down on that. Went up there, came here. These are my two anticipations. Price will complete this downward move. Price might complete this downward move. And set up for that big move. So what are we looking at for this downward move? On M15, if this is a peak, right, on M15, right, if this is a peak on M15, let's say price didn't come down to there. This is a level 1. I'm saying this is a level 1 because I'm anticipating that this is a level 2. Why? Because of the interaction with the 200 EMA we're getting if this is the pullback to the water, it's coming pullback to the water, then a level 2 we get the 5200 cross. So it's an indication that there's a level 2 and these are coming together. So this is my anticipation. We could be seeing price hit there, comes down, creates a peak, then gets up. So we are selling V10 and preparing for that long-term buy. Let's look at, this one looks really nice. This looks really nice, but not for the buy up there. I don't know, but this one looks really nice. Okay, so let's if this is let's put the peak there. If this is 1, this is 1, and this is 2. Okay, this could be a good peak. V25 1. This looks nice for a buy. This looks nice for a buy. This looks nice for a buy. Okay. This pair looks really nice for a buy. Am I saying it looks nice for a buy? If this is came there, it created a big W. If we're going to buy it up to there. So let's look at M15. You know, if I were to buy this pair, I would stack my buys there, put my stop loss there, and let it hold. I am buying this one. This looks good for a buy. Could we anticipate further pushes down? Let's do this. Let's put the let's put this. I haven't been using this for a while. Okay, so I would buy this, but let's see the point when we buy this. You see how price is ranging there. Okay, this is what I would do. Stack my buys there, wait for it to finish what it's doing. Then stack my buys there, my stop loss, I'll put it there, and let's see how price will respect that zone. It's collecting contracts there, and it's respecting this item, this region. Just see how price is respecting this region. See how price is respecting this region. We could buy there, and let's see how price will go. Why are we also saying we should buy? Because on M1 we are in level 1. We're in the first level, so we're anticipating a buys. So just to recap, my recap is further sells, and it rejected that, so we are selling. It's sell v75. So v75. So yeah, guys, just remember that. Just remember that price behaves. Price is not linear. It doesn't move in a straight line. It's more cyclical. Goes up, goes down. So it's just about finding the perfect entries and allowing the trade to move. If you've stacked your entries, then just make sure you've got a safe stop loss. This one we'd anticipated a sell coming down. Let's just see how it will behave there. You see what I'd said, that price doesn't just move straight. If this is a reset and this is a level 1, then we wait for price to create a proper downward move for it to continue coming down. So it's just good to make note of these crosses. The crosses are important. So we are selling V10 and we are buying v25 once. Okay guys, so thank you so much for joining me for this trading session. I think we've gotten really good entries. It's interesting how v75 once is moving. A lot of people are anticipating downward pushes on v75 once, but just this cross is further strengthening this push for further buys. So for now, let's not sell v75 once. Let's buy it. To what point, if someone may ask, let's buy it until this. Let's see what price will do here. It might create a rejection there and continue going down, but for now we are buying v75 once. So all the best, guys, in your trading. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section and I will get them. I will respond to you. Have a good day. This is Benefix and I trade by the grace of God.